Oh, that's a stud. I don't like what you just said. Needs to stop. Good morning, YouTube. Oh yeah, those are mallards.
Yeah.
We like that. we are back. It is Big Duck opener here in Nebraska, and we got a great spot. I think we're gonna have a fantastic day. We got 5 people today. We got Isaac back in the blind.
Hello.
We got Micah again.
Hell yeah.
Terrell.
How are you now?
And then my dad. What's up? I came to the spot last night, scouted it, sat, and there's no less than 1,000 birds here. And there's a lot of pintails, a bunch of widgeon, whole bunch of teal. It's crazy. We got 2 other groups on this marsh, but you know, it's gonna be about perfect. It's gonna be about right. We're gonna be able to push birds back and forth to each other. So, and I got the hole that I really wanted to be in, so should be good. We're about 10 minutes from shooting light. We've already had birds landing in the decoys, and I think it's gonna be good. So stay tuned. Any thoughts, boys?
Let's go. Opening Big Duck. There's water in my boots.
There's water in my boots. We got a couple. Trust me, we're gonna get our shots in, boys. Look at all the birds to our right. Holy shit. Oh, those are all pintails. Oh my gosh. Yeah, get ready to shoot these teals as they come back around. Oh my gosh. Man, those just about hit me in the head. Yeah, I was gonna say, somebody get up and shoot that one on the decoy. Dad?
I see it. I can take it. You want it? You're not doing shit yet. Hey! Alright.
Okay.
Want to water swat it? Somebody else can take
Right here.
it. Jeremy? Hey!
No, I don't want you to water swat it. Hey!
Hey!
Good shots, boys.
Dude, I love this job. Hey! Dude, see the one swimming? Right there. It's right there. Look, Isaac. Look at my guy.
Please don't shoot my decoys.
Hey!
Behind it. Oh, that one did hit the water though. Coming right at us. Oh my, I don't know what to point at.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm letting Jeremy take it. Oh.
I don't know if I had hit it the first time or not.
No.
Right here, right here, right here.
Yep. Hey!
Right here again.
Hey!
Shooting behind. Let's pick up birds. Technically bird number 2.
Can you finish this guy?
It's very much dead. Right here. Shoot him. Oh my gosh.
That was what I was thinking about. Had one on the right and one on the left. There you go. Good shot.
Shoot it again.
Yeah, shoot it again. We don't see it.
Widgeon.
Yeah, I was hoping the rest would come in. But...
It's alright. Huh? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a drake too. Oh. Oh, that's a stud. Yeah. If it had a wider head, I'd put it on the wall.
Made up for last year. That's your first big net this year.
Yeah, it is. Yes. Alright. For those of you who have been members of this channel for a little while, you will know that in Nebraska, they do a duck slam. And last year I got 3 of the 4 birds. This is the one I did not. Drake widgeon. He's really pretty. I mean, that's a stud. This was my mission bird today. And I got him. Not quite wall worthy, but he's beautiful. Ah. Ooh. Damn. Oh my gosh, I could have hit that bird. Right in the middle, right here, right here, right here, right here. Good shot, Isaac.
Good shot.
Got yourself a green wing? Greenie? Somebody shoot it.
Behind her.
Yeah.
Love it.
Huh? Yeah. I was hoping it would go in the hole so someone else could kill it, but I wasn't gonna let it go either. Oh. Now that's a pretty drake. All right. I know that I say this a lot, but this bird might be put on the wall. Look at this pin, or widgeon. It's got the pin and everything.
Did you have to scramble his brains?
Yeah, I did. I make sure. Good shot.
I let it go up.
All right, it's about 10 o'clock. We're gonna give it a call on that. I want to say we landed around 20 birds, I think. But when we get back to the truck, we'll line up the birds and I'll show you all the birds and we're gonna take some pictures. So, a pretty good hunt. I don't think it quite went the way that we exactly had hoped for or expected, but one thing that I know we kind of were fighting was we didn't have the best hide. So, but it goes that way sometimes. So, but I'll meet you all back at the truck.
Oh well.
It won't happen.
It'll happen. You'll know YouTube what we're talking about in 3 years.
It won't happen. All right, we're done. Back at the truck. Here's the birds. We ended with 2 widgeon, 2 green wings, and the rest are teal. There's a couple birds missing because my dad took his already, but I think the total number was 20, but I don't know. Still a pretty good day. I think we're gonna come back and try again tomorrow. At least Micah's gonna come.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Micah's not coming. Terrell's gonna go deer hunting.
I don't know.
Okay. Terrell doesn't know. Isaac's not coming.
Maybe.
Well, guess I'll die. So who knows? Who knows who you'll see tomorrow? But
It's a mystery. It's a fun box.
yeah. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was opening morning. I don't know. What did it say there, Kai?
That was morning.
That was morning. Got anything to say?
It was opening morning. That's what it was. I fell 3 times.
He fell 3 times.
He was soaked.
Terrell loves you. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave a comment. Have you guys opened in your area for duck hunting yet, or are you guys still waiting? I don't know. And then of course, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. Hope to see y'all back on the next episode. See ya.
Peace out.